Hi, this is Jacqueline here from Digital Dames. I'm just going to walk you through really quickly this really cool new tool on the Google Analytics 4 system and talk about how you can use this debugger tool to figure out what behavioral events are coming in through your websites or web apps, mobile apps, that sort of a thing. So this is what the new interface looks like. You have all of your options here on the left-hand side, and all the way at the bottom is this thing called debug view. So this is a really convenient way to look at your user behavior in a live view to see how different events are labeled as they come into the system without having to use the developer tools or other tools on top of your website or web app to figure those things out. So let me show you what I mean. You can see here there's already a couple of events happening on this side. So let's just refresh this page. This is the website that we're working with. Let's scroll down. And we're going to click one of these buttons down here and see how that looks when it comes through. Let's click this button, go back to Google Analytics over here. So you see an event of page view came through down here, user engagement, an event of page view. We should see, we have session start over here. We should see the button click come through in a second here. Now user engagement, let's have a little bit of a delay. Page view, here we go. Okay, so premium course button. And we've already actually in another video previously labeled this as a conversion. So that's why we're seeing it come through like this. But this is just so much easier to get your event data for those of you that are requiring this information to set up your conversions and that sort of a thing, or track this information through other systems. This wasn't available through the Google Analytics dashboard previously, and it's just going to be super helpful ongoing to see this in real time and then be able to label everything as conversions as you need to. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and have a great day.